My name is Dr. Tracy Parker and I am the e-mentoring coordinator at the University of Leicester. E-mentoring is a scheme that's been set up between the Institute of Physics and a charity called the Brightside Trust, and it's to do with the Stimulating Physics scheme from the Institute of Physics. And it's all via the internet, it's all via the Big Bang Blog's website. I think the e-mentoring scheme is a great way of encouraging mentees at school level to try and come to university.
Each student was assigned a mentor from university, and they were just willing to help us in any way with any questions based on physics that we had.
It's a fantastic opportunity for students to be able to contact people outside of their lives that can help them in their work and in any problems they'll face with choosing their future.
Some of these students, the mentees that are at these schools, don't come from backgrounds where parents or siblings have gone to university, so don't really know what it's like, and certainly not a physics course. Most people think an undergraduate physicist is, white coat, stiff scientist, and it sort of they form that relationship and get to find out a lot more in depth of what university life is like.
Well, my mentor, she introduced herself as a person, what she was doing at university, and she said if there was anything I needed help with my physics studies, and if there was any questions I had based on physics, she would be willing to help and answer.
I enjoyed the fact that you could speak to someone who'd sort of already been through what you were going to go through, and that it was easy to do because it was just something you check up on when you're on the internet.
You have choices, so you're never sure that you're going to choose the right subject for yourself, but once you have contact with people who are doing what you want to do, then you know that it'll more than likely be the right decision if they don't regret it themselves.
They get to see it from somebody who's been in their shoes, somebody who may have come from the same background as them, somebody that's gone through the system and is telling them about university life and about their physics degree in their own words and their own experiences. Not sort of, from a teacher or a lecturer. It's actually somebody that just a couple of years ago was in exactly the same position as them, so it's someone they can relate to.
Yeah, I'm seriously considering taking physics further.
I want to do A-levels in all three sciences and maths, and then I think I'm going to go on to do a physics degree.
I can learn so much from it, and it complements other subjects, which makes it more interesting and easier as well. But it is also very challenging, which is why I like it as well, because I like a challenge.